Imagine editing a photo or designing a document without ever opening Photoshop or Acrobat. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Adobe has just launched Photoshop, Adobe Express, and Acrobat inside ChatGPT, making professional-level creativity as simple as having a conversation. This isn't just a gimmick. By combining ChatGPT's conversational AI with Adobe's industry-leading tools, anyone can enhance vacation photos, design invitations, or polish documents just by typing what they want. No steep learning curves, no complex menus. Just words. If you love creating but always felt intimidated by design software, this is a game changer. You can adjust brightness, contrast, and exposure in Photoshop, or apply effects like glitch and glow. With Adobe Express, you can animate designs, swap images, and personalize content directly in the chat. Acrobat lets you edit PDFs, merge files, redact sensitive info, and even compress or convert documents, all without leaving ChatGPT. To access these tools, just type the app name followed by your request. For example, Adobe Photoshop, help me blur the background of this image. ChatGPT automatically guides you through it, giving you the full power of Adobe in a few simple steps. And the best part? Photoshop, Express, and Acrobat for ChatGPT are free for users globally and available today on desktop, web, and iOS, with Android support coming soon. Before we go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to let us know which Adobe app you're most excited to try. And if you want to dive deeper, check out the related video in the corner. Adobe just made professional creativity effortless, and it's available to hundreds of millions right inside ChatGPT. Don't miss out. Start creating today.